while I'm at it, just wanted to do some fishing on Charles River. Maybe you want to see this, maybe you don't, but I'm using the Zoom trip worm once again, and it's one of the best baits for bass. So let's try out near this log over here. Oh man, you can't see it. It's an overhanging log right over the water. Let's see if there's a bass under here, and I'll try one on the spot near the lily pads and see what happens. Make sure it's weedless. Let's try near the lily pads here and see what else happens. I actually got a bite over there under the other side of that tree, and it flashed itself for a while, and I just missed the bite and didn't come back. It was like right on the shoreline. Not sure what it was. the old technique. I get it on the lily pad and I let it slowly fall off the edge. And at that point, I get the slack line, which means I'm not able to feel the bait because it's weightless, and I don't want to mess up the actual action of it. So I actually watch the line and see if it gets pulled in or in the left to right direction, and that would give me the information I need to know that there's an actual bite going on that I can't feel. And since it's not like a Berkeley power bait that has like a real like taste or smell in it, I know that they're not going to hold on to it very long, so I have to be very adamant at paying attention to what I'm doing. But, you know, fish still aren't cooperating today, but another day they will. I'm going after primarily bass. I could come out here with some worms and catch as many bluegills as I want, but that's not really what I want. And you may want something else. Maybe you want bass, maybe you want a panfish, maybe you want a muskie, maybe you want a pike, maybe you want a striped bass, maybe you want a perch. Doesn't really matter, as long as it's a fish. And that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to catch fish when we usually don't catch fish. We're trying to catch fish more often, and we do our time changes to do that. And that's what I'm trying to do here to help everybody else out. So, you know, the Charles River just got back from a little bit of a cyanobacteria bloom, and all of the vegetation, that seaweedy stuff, just took over everything, and it's now starting to recede because the temperature's gone down. It's about the very low 70s now, and it's going to stay that way for a while because fall is, I guess, technically starting. And so will the fall turnover of many lakes. River, I'm not really sure if it ever turns over because it's moving, but the deeper haunts will be better. So if I can get out there on a boat or a kayak or whatever else, it would be a great thing to do. And if you can do that, you should do it immediately. So, Dwight Norris Fishing at Work, telling you to go out there and get fishing.